Okay. It's part 4? Okay. Yeah, part 4 of stopping the unstoppable train on GTA 5. Hopefully, we got it this time.
Oh god, oh god. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna try and
Stop
train
this.
with Tyler.
Don't fall off, dude. This will be our 4th trying it, because first one we failed at. Second one, forget. The third one.
This is the 3rd time.
Alright,
This
Tyler,
one.
let's just put it this way. I failed that many, we failed this many times, so I detonated it way too early.
Yeah, the third one we exploded. I'm gonna have to put. Did you erase that video?
Not yet.
Okay, don't erase them.
Tyler.
Wait.
Ready.
Woo!
Idiot.
Hang on. Jump now. Get in. Don't. Yeah.
Tyler.
Yeah.
We
Get
finally did
Get in. We have to like get away from the cops, and then we'll come back.
There are no cops, Dip.
Alright, we're gonna get away from these cops, but
Oh wait, he's.
you're a genius, Tyler.
Woohoo!
That's Hollywood action right there.
And guess what? Guess what our last video is gonna be. Until I get back on.
Last video.
Titan.
Last video.
How is Tyler the genius? He didn't find this out.
Yeah, dude. With the truck, yeah.
Yeah, but he didn't figure out the whole thing. Actually, that's how Van Oss Gaming does it with the truck. Or he
With
uses
the
a
van. They was
yeah.
using a van.
Yeah,
That was funny though.
they're using like the world's most slowest mom van.
And they still got it on it.
Yeah, they got like way in front of it.
What just happened?
I'm confused.
Mini-map?
What?
You see the mini-map like glitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not weird.
That's not weird at all.
Should I stop the video now since the train is?
Cops
No,
have to get
we're not doing
off
it.
the bus. I want to get a view of the
I do too. Before I stop the video.
So our next video, Tyler, we're gonna get big ass plane and we're
Fly it away.
I had an idea.
Alrighty.
Okay, we can get a good view of this train now.
There's the train right there. Get out. Yeah. Tripod. Yep. I'm using my new type of tripod, guys.
Now we have to get on. Then we have to get on. Now.
Tyler knows.
Yeah.
What you do with GTA 5 is get full of sticky bombs. You just blow up a damn train. Yeah. Tyler, he's got a fake name. That's how to find it. There you are. What was that? What was that again? Again? Wait, I thought you flipped me off a little bit. Oh, whoa, what? Flip me off, come on, do it, buddy. Oh, no, I don't want that.
Oh wait, I'm sorry. Hang on.
But I'm gonna figure it out.
Sorry, hang on.
Yeah, rock on.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Die. Oh dang it.